Hello, my game is MathFlight.java, and the educational goal of my game is to teach exponents and logarithms. And my target audience is 7th to 8th graders who have not yet learned about these concepts. So the rules of the game are simple. You have to answer all the problems in all 6 levels correctly. You enter your answer by typing it into the text field and submit it by pressing enter. So this example problem right over here, 2 plus 2, you type in 4, press enter, and it is correct. So let's go on to level 1. As you can see, this is an introduction to my game. Let's go on. This is text on how to solve exponent problems, and this example problem right here, 3 to the power of 2, is the same thing as 3 times 3, which is of course 9. So let's go to level 1. So the first problem is 2 to the power of 2, and let's just say I enter a wrong answer, like for example 5. The player receives a message on how to solve the problem properly, a hint if you will, incorrect text underneath the text field, and they will lose health accordingly. But if the player inputs the right answer, 4, the player moves on to the next problem. Let's look at how we use arrays in my game. As you can see from this block of code right here, I used a for loop to iteratively fill arrays of appropriate sizes with my bases, exponents, and problem sets for each level. Let's go back to the game. Let me finish up level 1 now. Really quickly. Alright. In level 2, the player learns about solving exponent problems with negative bases. I will do this example problem now. As you can see, the problem is negative 2 to the power of 3, which is the same thing as negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. You can see that is correct. Let's go to level 2. As you can see, the difficulty of the problems have significantly increased, as every problem in this level will have a negative sign. In order to keep every problem and level in the game different every time the player plays, I've utilized mat.random, as seen here, to randomize the problems given to the player. As you can see here, the base, exponent, and parentheses have all been randomized. And let's scroll down a little bit to our answer handler 2, where in order to check if the player's answer is correct or not, I use the getText method and check it to the calculated answer in a single if statement. At the end, the repeat method is always called regardless if the answer is correct or not, as seen right here. So let's go back to level 2 and let's finish it up quickly. These problems really do get harder, as you can see. And last one, 4. Oh, actually, in level 2, there are actually 15 problems, which make it even harder. Alright. So, level 3 is all about logarithms, and this panel's job is to teach about them. Let's do this logarithm example problem. Log 416 is asking how many 4s do I need to multiply together to get 16, and the answer is 2. Alright, let's go to level 3. This one's quite easy. How many 4s do we need to get 4? Why, that's just 1. 1 4. So due to advice given from my total 3 evaluators, I removed my initial idea of adding a timer feature to the game and made the problems in the boss battle in level 6 harder. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.